I'm a mess.
Not on my watch.
So I decided to get on Amazon to fix my life. All right, listen, I finally put together my accessory dresser and bodysuit dresser. So, listen, I get so many bodysuits. I purchase them and then I get them in PR, and I'm not ready to give them away. So, my drawer was just getting overfilled, It was just getting full. It was just getting like to the point that I couldn't even enter into my drawers. And then the accessories, I love accessories. So I was like, I just need something for that and my perfume. So I bought this, and baby, it is the best purchase ever. I have it so nicely neat. I bought these little trays to set my earrings in, to set my my bracelets in. Then I got this nice little watch tray to put all my watches in, and I needed this. I mean, I feel it on both sides. And look at this. I got for the dainty bracelets. I got that too as well. But this is one of my favorite purchases of this year. And let's talk about the bodysuits. I'm able to stack 30 bodysuits folded in this drawer. So there's 30 here, okay? 30 here, okay? That's 60, okay? 30 again, okay? 120. So I got 180 bodysuits. And you like,
Slap me in my face and gouge my eye out with a plastic spoon.
why do you need that many bodysuits? I need them. And then I love this clear plastic right here. I mean, it's doing what it's supposed to do. That's like my favorite. I can see what's going on in there, and I know if I need to put something in a slot. I'm just trying to say. And then I bought these little trays, and just because I have to do so much content, or if I'm going out or something, I want to lay my accessories out for that outfit. So I bought these trays, and I wanted 2 of them because I'm like, when I'm doing content, some days I need gold jewelry, some days I need silver jewelry, but I have it right here waiting on me. I'm just saying. And then my other favorite is this right here. All my dainty necklace, the little dainty ones, right here in the slot. Right here in the slot. I'm just saying, all this necklace that used to get tangled up, no more, no more. They have a home. And I just set that right here. Boom. And this right here, this is one of the things, like, if I wear it every day, I'm putting everyday jewelry right here. Like my go-to every day. I'm putting them on this little tray here. It's a tray as well for jewelry, So, but hold on, wait on us. It's the belt. It's the belt organizer for me. Got it, okay? And you get 2 of these, okay? So the belt organizing is organizing, okay? Love this. And look at, all my bangles, okay? Look at this. Look how easy I'm able to pull that off and take off one of my bangles. Because I'm able to just lift it up. And then this big old slot for my favorite fragrance. I'm just saying, this thing is winning, y'all. And I got a discount for you all. Win, like me. Oh, I'm just saying. Oh, hold up. I was about to forget the most important thing. Hit the lights. It also comes with, can y'all see that light? Yeah, there it goes. There we go. I could change see that? Yes. See that? I could change the color. I could change the mood that I wanted to go. I'm just saying. I mean, you can get this for your daughter as well. But let me tell you something. This has been my favorite purchase for 2024 because I'm trying to get organized and I'm bringing y'all along with me. This was it and I like it. I'm just saying, click the link. This is my favorite thing and it's going to be your favorite thing. Get something to organize you. If you got a lot of bodysuits, because I know you girls do, and you got a lot of accessories, and I know you girls do, get you a dresser just for accessories and bodysuits. Life changer. Game changer. Organized changer. Okay? All right. Bye.